Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to change your age on Cash App without deleting your account. So first of all, you need to open up Cash App on your device, and then tap on this profile icon in the top right corner. From here, you need to scroll down and tap on Support. Over here, you need to tap on Something Else. Once you're on this screen, scroll down and tap on Cash Card. Again, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Contact Support. And then click on Not About a Transaction. From here, tap on Chat to contact customer support. Now explain your whole situation to the Cash App representative. Maybe you have accidentally put the wrong date of birth, or maybe you turned 18 a few weeks ago, but your Cash App still says you're underage. Whatever the reason is, hopefully the Cash App representative will help you fix the issue. If they did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.